Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. For years, the dental industry sold you powerful tools, 3D scanners, some software, printers, materials, and then left you to connect all the dots on your own. But every handoff between devices creates friction, potential errors, parameter mismatches, and a drain on your team's time. We believe that the future of digital dentistry must be different. The future is not about selling tools, it's about delivering the results. To minimize that pain point, Shannon 3D Dental has worked for years. We own an entire stack: scanners, air powder design, printers, post-processing, all designed and manufactured in-house, working as one unified platform. Your tools may be world-class individually, but when the connections between them are not streamlined, that's where the time is lost, errors creep in, and your invisible costs multiply. After listening to clinicians in over 100 countries and collaborating closely with dental professionals, we built Shining Flow to close that gap, turning fragmented tools into a seamless, efficient workflow. Shining Flow is simple. The workflow guarantees the result. Data flows smoothly from scan to design to print. No manual file transfers, no reformatting, no wasted time. You focus on the patient, we ensure the outcome. The value is real. Simplicity. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Consistency. Every case moves through one platform, delivering the same precision every time. Controllable cost. No more troubleshooting failed connections, redoing cases, or file incompatibility. Shining Flow removes that burden for you. And this is what exactly the AI era demands. A new way of working where the complexity is hidden, workflows are predictable, so you can concentrate on exceptional care for every patient. This is Shining Flow. Thank you.